world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide? I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, to say we're only dreaming, a whole new world, a dazzling place I never knew. But when the way appeared, it's crystal clear, and now I'm in a whole new world with you. Unbelievable sight, indescribable feeling, soaring, tumbling, free-wheeling through an endless diamond sky.